Franklin Bridge from Tampa, Florida to St. Pete, Florida. They've been working on it for years now, building a new span, and they got all the cranes moved offshore waiting for a Dahlia to show up. Cleaned up all the construction and moved all the barges off shore, bunched them up so they handle the hurricane better. For years now, and they were all staged over here, lifting support beams for the bridge. I guess they figured that grouped up would be more effective against the wind. So bring it on.